Hello students, this is Mamta Sood. I welcome you in my maths channel, and this worksheet I have designed specially for the students of class 5. Students of class 6 can also use this for their knowledge, and this is all about the Roman numerals. You are very familiar with the Roman numerals till 100. If you have any confusion till 100, kindly watch my previous videos in which I have mentioned how to write the Roman numerals. I've also told about all the formulas to be used while writing the Roman numerals. When we write on the left side of the bigger digit, when we write on the right side on the bigger digit, what is the meaning of those operations, whether it is multiplication, addition or subtraction. So you can learn all these from the previous videos. So let's start with these numbers now. And this is my rule: before starting the writing Roman numerals, I always mark the symbols I, V, X, L, C, D and N. These can be repeated 3 times, but these 3 symbols cannot be repeated. V cannot be repeated, L cannot be repeated, D cannot be repeated. Out of 7 symbols, Roman people use only 7 symbols to write any of the number. So when we have to start writing the bigger numbers, बार का मीनिंग भी मैंने आपको बताया, जैसे 1005 के ऊपर बार लग गया, दैट मीन्स 5000. सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू राइट दीज नंबर्स. लाइक 502 डायरेक्ट आपको आ जाता है, डिक्टेशन में आ जाता है, तो फर्स्ट यू राइट लाइक दिस and check whether the 500 mark is there. Yes, you have D as 500, so D 500. And then for 2, 1 to 9, you are very familiar with these number 1 to 9. So 2 I have written, this is 502. How to write 900? 900, I have the 1000 symbol M, and when we put any smaller symbol on the left side of the bigger digit, that means it is minus. 1000 minus 100 is 900. Then 20, you know how to write, this is 20, and 9 also you know how to write. So this is 929. That's it. So how to write 600? That is D for 500. On the right side it is addition. If I am writing 100, C is for 100. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, that means addition, because it is on the right side of the bigger number. तो 500 plus 607, this way 1 to 9 से आप 7 निकाल सकते हैं. Then 1005 is M. 1000 stands for M. And 5 का आपका V सिंबल है, तो 1005. Then how to write 803? 800 के लिए 500, 600, 700, 800. 3 times हम मैक्सिमम रिपीट कर सकते हैं, और जो रिपीट डिजिट कर सकते हैं वो मैंने आपको अंडरलाइन करके दिए थे, which can be repeated. तो 500, 6, 7 and 800. 1, 2, 3. This is 803. Now this is 721. So again 500, 600, 700. This is 21. Then 360. 1, 2, 3. 100, 200, 300. 60 for 60 L. This is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. That's it. On the right side means addition. Then 2000, M can be repeated. Then 1000, 2000, then 70. That is 50, 60, 70 and 5. It seems difficult, but with practice you can make it the easiest one. Then 1065. For 1000 I have M, 1000. Then 60. How to write 60? That is L 50, 60, and for 5 I have V. And then the last one. This is for 500 I have D, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 10 and 8, 18. This is 10, 8, 18. This is all about the Roman numerals. In this worksheet, we have learned how to write the Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. Now we'll learn how to write Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic number. For C we use the 100, and X is 10, and 1 is 1. So C 100, 10 and 11. So that is 111. This is 500. D is 500. 100 is 6. 100 is, C is for 100. then 3 times c is there. 3 times c is there. 1, 2, 3 times c is there. So 500, 600, 700 and 800. Here 1, 2, 3 times c is there. That is 100, 200, 300, 300, 5, 6 and 7. That is 307. Here 500 on the right hand side we use plus. 500, 600 and this is x. That is, if we have written any smaller digit on the right side left side of the bigger digit, that means subtraction is there. तो L से अगर आप x subtract करेंगे you will get 40. This is 649. 649. This stands for 9 ix. This stands for 40. This is for 500 and this is for 100. This is together. You have to just check together this. So this was all about the Roman numerals. Now I'll send the worksheet regarding these chapters. We have completed the numbers and numeration according to the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. We have completed all the operation, expanded form, addition, subtraction, place value, face value, everything we have done. Similarly, we have learned about the second chapter, Roman numerals. How to write the Roman numerals, how many digits are there, what are the formulas to write the Roman numerals. So let's start with the worksheet, and I'll send all those worksheets to my channel. So wait for the worksheet and hope you are learning nicely. Okay students, subscribe the channel, like my video, share my video. Thank you.